Just driving back from the gym. I thought I would give you all a quick update. The Golf is still on hold because our glorious, let me just put the window up, you're not going to hear any cool noises from this car, it's electric. Yeah, the Golf's still on hold. Basically, the part has been sent, and it's been sent to the wrong house, and it is being delivered by EVRI. We all know how shite EVRI can be. So the tracking number doesn't work on their website. It works on eBay. It comes up and it tells me that it's with them. I can't track it on their website as it says it's not found. I can't contact them because I've tried phoning their phone number and it's an automated service that recognises my phone number. And it just gives me an update that once again they have my package. So I don't know what to do here. I've contacted the seller. They were fucking useless. Excuse my French. So if it doesn't come today, which is now 11:45, I will probably just have to go down to Volkswagen and order it from them. And at least then I know I'll get it. I'm imagining that it can't be that expensive. It's a small piece of plastic and it's for a Volkswagen Golf. It's bound to be used in near enough all of them, hopefully. Or at least a couple of them years. Mark 7, Mark 7.5. So yeah, all fun and games. So yeah, now I'm just heading home because I've done a workout and I need to refuel and sort of a few things out for the house because it never ends. You hear the rip of this? No rip at all because she's dead. Although if you watch the accelerator, not here obviously. It does climb and speed quite well. But still, there ain't no life or soul in this car. There's no feel to it. Just a wee bit of oomph. But, you know, you miss the exhaust noise, the engine noise. Even the steering feels pretty shit. Maybe other electric vehicles are better, but I still hate this one. Look at the range. 73% and 140 miles. My book is still crap. So yeah, that's just a quick update. So hopefully in a couple of days we'll have parts on the video.